This driver thinks he can do anything. He bet his friends he could cross these logs, but this is no joke. He's putting himself in serious danger. Let's hope his skill matches his ego. The wheels need to be perfectly lined up. Alright, back wheels are on now. And these logs are carrying the whole weight of the car. He can't make any sudden movements or the logs underneath will break. This car is an Wuling Sanche. It's massively popular in China, where this is being filmed. And it's handling it really well, so far. Almost there. And he's done it. This is also in China, and this driver is trying to pass a broken down car. This blue car couldn't have picked a worse spot to break down. And it's raining, making it even more dangerous. Now that's skill.